In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best electric snow shovels in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. This corded version of the Snow-Joe electric snow thrower is highly rated and a #1 bestseller on Amazon. Ideal for clearing snow off mid to large-sized driveways and walks, it is virtually maintenance-free. Effortless to start and take care of, this snow thrower features a 15-amp motor and can move up to 720 pounds of snow per minute. The steel auger features 4 steel blades that cut through a path 18 inches wide by 10 inches deep with each pass. The halogen work light is nice to have to light up what you're doing in the dark of winter. The easy glide wheels help make the Snow-Joe simple to maneuver. This electric snow shovel features a scraper blade that can clear right to the ground without damaging your concrete as well. Equipped with a 180-degree adjustable throw chute, this little machine will throw snow up to 25 feet away in whichever direction you want it. The Snow-Joe comes with an onboard clean-out tool in case you get too excited and jam your machine up with snow. If you're looking for the performance of a gas-powered blower with none of the hassle, this Snow-Joe electric snow thrower might be it. Just remember not to eat up your extension cord with the auger. Number 4. Probably among these people that believe clearing snow should be simple before you head off to work. If you belong to this category of individuals, you have allocated this activity very little time. Therefore, you will need a tool that helps you stick to this tight schedule. Lucky for you, there is nothing to be disappointed about because Greenworks 2,600,502 has addressed all your concerns. How is that? To begin with, the tool is wide enough, so it covers a ground of 20 inches wide and a depth of 12 inches. To put this into context, it is able to clear snow in an area almost twice larger than some other electric snow shovels in this category do. In terms of the depth, the shovel is capable of digging out ice twice more as compared to the levels of other electric shovels. As you might expect, these capabilities would require more power. Greenworks has not disappointed me in this respect. Its 13 amperes motor ensures that the shovel can throw a minimum of 400 pounds of ice within a minute. It is these high capabilities that have led to most Greenworks electric snow shovel reviews rating it as almost having the same capabilities as the gas-powered blowers. Number 3. The Ego Power Plus 21-inch 56-volt cordless snow blower includes two 56-volt 5.0Ah batteries and a rapid charger. Together, the two batteries provide enough power to rival a small, gas-powered snow-throwing machine. The brushless motor is highly efficient and allows enough power and runtime to clear a 10-car driveway covered with 8 inches of snow. The auger features a variable speed option so you can control how far your snow gets thrown. By the way, you can throw the snow as far as 35 feet under optimal conditions. The 21-inch wide intake chute is wider than most electric snow shovels to get through your snow plowing job quickly and conveniently. Onboard chute adjustment and steel construction simply add to the list of this snow thrower's amenities. Depending on your area's typical weather conditions, this may be a good replacement for your old gas-powered machine. Keep in mind that wet, sticky snow may give you some trouble as will deep, icy leftovers from the city snowplow. That said, Ego has produced a really great cordless snow machine here. Number 2. The Snow-Joe SJ627E 22-inch electric snow thrower aims to simplify your snow clearing routine by delivering maximum power and performance for a corded snow blower. The SJ627E is the largest of Snow-Joe's corded snow blower line, with the most power and widest clearing width. This machine has the ability to throw snow up to 25 feet away. The Snow-Joe SJ627E has the performance of a gas-powered machine combined with unlimited power in the form of electricity to provide some serious snow clearing power. This snow thrower is powered by a 15-amp electric motor, Ideal for clearing large driveways and walkways without the hassle of filling gas in the cold or oil changes. It starts instantly and reliably with the push of a button. The SJ627E comes with a discrete safety switch to prevent any possible accidents from occurring. The all-steel auger cuts a 22-inch wide by 13-inch deep path with each pass. Snow Joe understands it gets dark earlier during the winter, so they've mounted dual LED headlamps on the handlebars to brighten your way while clearing. Finally, the 180-degree adjustable chute provides the option to discharge that snow wherever you prefer it to go. Number 1. Greenworks makes some pretty incredible cordless electric yard tools, and this 80-volt snow thrower is pretty incredible, too. It features a wide 20-inch hopper with a durable plastic auger that ejects snow through a chute that can rotate 180 degrees for maximum flexibility. The motor is a high-efficiency brushless variety that maxes out every last bit of power from the included 80-volt 2.0Ah battery. Runtime is a reasonable 45 minutes, and charging up the 2.0Ah battery takes just 30 minutes. That said, consider picking up a larger-sized 4.0Ah battery as a spare, just in case. This snow thrower has the ability to clear a depth of up to 10 inches at one time to quickly clear your driveway, sidewalks, and patio. Larger 6-inch plastic wheels are good enough to push the snow thrower through some nasty conditions, but keep in mind that there is no self-propulsion feature on this machine. You may need to clear a small area to get started, and you'll be good to go. The LED headlights near the control panel are a nice touch. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.